Okay, so I've connected the actual light and fan loads along with this uh, rope switching mechanism to the signal light to try it out, since I've already measured voltages on the fan load and light load and they look okay with this switch. So now I'm gonna turn on the sub panel and then actually try it with actual light and fan loads. So turn on the sub panel. Light is, but I'm going to try it out now. So I first turn on the light and let's see if the light turns on. One of these is probably the light. Yes, and the light does turn on. So this mechanism works. Next I'm going to turn on the fan and see if that mechanism works. I can hear some humming. But I'm not sure if this fan should rotate, but let's try it out. Let's see, the light is still working. But the fan is not working. I'm also going to try some combinations of the regulator here. I know this regulator is not working because it's showing showing 124 volts or something. So I'm going to turn on this regulator a bit also again and try the fan again. Yeah, so the fan is not working still, but the light is working. Okay, so this could mean one of a couple of different things. So first I'm going to replace that fan regulator switch. Fan regulator with just a regular toggle switch. I know the fan regulator is not working, so that would help there. And after I do that, if the fan is still not turning on, then it's probably some problem with, there's a regulator switch in here for the fan, and maybe this one. There's a part number in here somewhere. Maybe this is the one for the fan, or it could be the one for the light, I'm not sure, but this could be a replaceable part. Actually, no, the one with the fan is this green one over here, because I know that this center one is for the light, so this one must be for the fan. And when I look at this, where this goes, it goes to this green circular thing. I'm not sure what that is, but it probably can be replaced if it's not working. So that's the next thing I'm going to try.